Hello, hello, besties, and welcome to the Money Mindset membership. I'm so excited to have you here. I wanted to first get you comfortable and get you familiar with how we do things here because I never want you to feel as if you have no support or as if you can't get something done. I want everybody to complete their dreams and goals, whatever it may be, for you being here. So let me go ahead and introduce you to our Facebook community where you're going to leverage if and when you need help, and you're going to join us over there so that you can take full advantage of everything that's available for you that's going to help you on this road to financial freedom. Yes, yes, yes. Let's talk about it. I hope you guys are excited because I am too. Now, if you're not a part of the Money Mindset Club, our private Facebook community, this is it, guys. This is it. The page is growing every single day. Right now, we have 442 members. Probably by the time you see this, it'll be more. It definitely will. So I'm going to scroll and I want to show you how to get support from this group. So you can just you can leave a message on here in order to get support. We also will have an email for you to use to get support directly to support, and get an answer within 24 hours. You can also leverage all of your other business besties in this community. Um, it's very easy to get support here. You can, as long as you're a member, it'll be open to you to drop questions and concerns and be able to communicate with everyone else, or directly send me a message and I'll communicate with you back. Um, at the top, this is our features. It is a bunch of videos and stuff logged in up here, all the way back from 2023, 2022. So when you come on, just scroll through and get acquainted. I'm sure those videos there will help you as well. So right here, we're just talking about the membership and what's to be expected. Um, like I said, we have many, many women coming in on a daily in this group. 2 days ago, we just got a nice amount of more women in here. We're just communicating, connecting. Uh, these women in business are from all over the world, guys. Texas, California, New Jersey, Philadelphia, Georgia. I even saw that we had someone in the UK. I was really, really excited about that. It was my first time seeing it. We got, so when you come through here, you're going to scroll and you're going to see a lot of really, this is going to keep you updated on our events too. Money Mindset meetups that we do locally in the Charlotte area, and we do them in other cities as well, depending on the demand and the need. So also when you come here and you're like, this is your first time, you didn't pay for your membership, you got locked into the community. And once we give you access to the community, I want you to do something very important, which would be to introduce yourself, tell us who you are, where you're from, and what you do. So that's you have 3 things to do. Your only job is very important because I can't stress enough for you how important it is for women in business to leverage other women and have that support system. This is a private, safe community where we talk all things mindset and money, help each other out. This is about hitting our goals, having some fun, and really building community with other professionals. All right. So, what are you going to do when you get access to the Money Mindset Club on Facebook? You're going to tell us who you are. You're going to tell us where you're located, what city you're in. You're going to tell us what you do. If you are a business owner, which you should be a business owner, I want you to add your website link. All right. I want to see where you are and what you're doing. If you don't have a website link, you're like, I'm working on my business, I'm starting a business, that's fine. Or if you're no longer in business, just tell us what you do. It's very important. You can scroll through, read everything about me. This is going to be a great platform for you guys. Don't forget to utilize your resources, utilizing community. It's always, always very, very important. So I will see you guys on the other side. And I hope this support is going to be, well, I'm going to say I know it's going to be great for you. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.